Understanding error handling in programming.
Error handling is a key skill for every coder. It helps your programs deal with unexpected situations, like missing files or user mistakes, without crashing. By learning a few reliable techniques, you'll create code that's safer, easier to debug, and more robust. Let's explore 5 essential error handling methods every beginner should know.
1. Using conditional statements.
Conditional statements, such as if-else blocks, check for specific conditions before running code. For example, you can verify that a file exists before opening it, or ensure user input is valid before processing. This helps catch errors early, preventing the program from attempting unsafe actions.
2. Try-catch blocks.
The try-catch blocks surround risky code. The try part runs your code, and if an error occurs, the catch section handles it. This prevents your entire program from crashing and lets you provide helpful error messages or fallback routines. Most modern languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript use this technique.
3. Validating user input.
Always validate user input before using it in your program. Check that numbers are within expected ranges and that strings aren't empty or full of unwanted characters. This guards against accidental mistakes, malicious data, and unexpected errors down the line.
4. Returning error codes.
Some functions and programs use error codes to signal success or failure. For example, a function might return 0 for success and another value for an error. Always check these codes before using the results so you can handle problems right away rather than discovering them later.
5. Logging errors.
Good error handling involves logging errors. Whenever you catch a problem, record details in a log. This could include the error message, when it happened, and any relevant data. Logs help you and other developers diagnose issues quickly, making maintenance much easier.
Mastering error handling.
Practicing these 5 error handling techniques will make your programs much safer and more reliable. Remember to check conditions, catch problems, validate input, use error codes, and keep useful logs. These skills are the foundation of professional programming, no matter what language you use.